Did you get wet? Did you get wet? You did, yeah. Oh, it's coming down hard now, buddy. Whew, that's a good gust, isn't it? What do you do? Just dump it in the puddles? Yeah. What are you doing? You're soaked. No. Hmm? Oh no, I'm not going out there. It's really raining now. It's crazy out there. What are you doing? Yeah, I know. Oh, you coming in? Go out there and come back in, because we got to shut the door. If you're going to go, go, and then come back. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo, crazy. All right, come back, come back. Yeah, good job. All right. Ready to come in? No. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Your diaper fell off. I'll fix it. There you go.